Welcome po to Reviewers, a compilation of exam reviewers and item explanations. And here's our question. Discover the principle involved in the given series and determine the next elements. We have 3, 9, 525, 864, 12, 144, and then A, 15, 225, B, 17, 289, C, 20 and 400, or letter D, 16 and 256. Same po ng mga previous videos natin, kasi nga ito ay number series, we are going to look at the differences of each elements. Let me use my pen here and see if meron tayong common difference. From 3 to 9, we could see that we just simply added 6 here. Okay? So if this difference is not particularly the same for all throughout, in short, wala tayong common difference, we'll proceed to other options like probably factors and etc. I'm talking about that because here we could see that it's minus 4 po dito. Let's examine further, baka may repetition ng pattern on the second layer. Pero dito, we have here plus 10. Then to be followed then again with, if I'm correct, it's minus 17, right? So we can really see that there's no pattern here po. So ano ang mangyayari ngayon? We just need to look at the connections between elements. Specifically, when I say, look at the relationship between 3 and 9. Okay? Which is the same with 5 and 25. What can you see about the numbers po? Dito, makikita natin na yung second of the pair, let's say 9 and 25, are actually perfect squares of the previous numbers 3 and 5 respectively. In short, 3 squared, we will get 9. 5 squared, you will get 25. Examining further, 8 and 64, because when you square 8, you will get 64. Now, this is also true with our value here, 12 squared, you will have 144. In short, alam natin na yung next elements na hanapin natin is a pair of elements with a perfect square on its second pair or second item. But we can see all of the, that's probably one of the things that you can do. Kasi nga, examination tayo, pwede tayong mag-elimination method. Kasi kapag may makita kayo ditong pair na di naman perfect square yung pangalawa, then you can omit it immediately. However, in these items here, 225 is a perfect square of 15, 289 is a perfect square of 17, 400 is a perfect square of 20, and 256 is a perfect square of 16. So all of these four options will follow the same criteria. But my point here is, in your exams later on, if my item na po or my option na it will not follow the given criteria, automatically you can remove and give you a better chance of getting the correct answer. So what's next here? Kasi nga all of these options fit the criteria. Let's look into the relationship between the first numbers here. From 3 to 5, we simply added 2, right? Next, from 5 to 8, we also added 3. So wala tayong wala tayong common difference din kahit sa nung mga naunang mga element ng each pair. Going further, 8 to 12 is actually plus 4. But you can see here that there is a pattern, increasing difference from 2, 3, and then 4. So we would expect that our next item here, on its first elements of each pair, we will have here plus 5. So without any other problems, we know that 12 plus 5 is actually 17. Automatically, that gives us the answer of letter B. And since nga na-establish ni kanina na yung pangalawang item or element after this is just a perfect square of itself, automatically there's no other values here which is a perfect square of 17, then we are now sure that the next elements here are again 17. It follows this criteria and it's perfect square of 289. So makikita natin, in comparison to our previous videos, it gets more complicated, but of course we are providing this so that you would know how to analyze and induct or apply inductive reasoning carefully. So once again po, ito po yung reviewers. Don't forget po to subscribe on our channel. like our videos, and if kaya naman po, pakishare na lang din po. And leave a comment po for our future videos improvement. And follow our FB page and stay tuned for more videos. Maraming salamat!